Today let's make a flavorful rice which is called Zafrani, which is very royal, very tasty, bursting with flavors, but very simple to make. Take some hot milk and add in some saffron strands and keep it aside because saffron takes some time for the color and for the flavor to get infused, and keep it aside. It gives a beautiful flavor and color to the rice. Now take a vessel of your choice in whichever you're making your Zafrani rice in and add in some ghee. Once the ghee has melted in, add in some cashews and fry it till it is slightly brown. If you want, you can add in raisins as well if you want a bit of sweetish in your rice. I'm just adding in cashews. You can play around with the nuts. So fry the cashews really very well till it is light brown and keep it aside. Next, what you can do is, next you need to keep some sliced onion as well ready. Now I'm putting the cashews aside. Next I'm adding in the sliced onion as told and fry it really well till it turns slight brown. The onion needs to turn the brownish, the one which you add for biryani, the dark rice, or it's called as barista. So that is the consistency or the kind of onions which we are wanting. So fry it really very well, and then you can keep aside some fried onions later for garnishing. Now put all the onions aside because it's turned brown, and for the same ghee I'm adding in some jeera, I'm adding cardamom, I'm adding star anise and bay leaves, and give it a good mix till the garam masala or the whole spices flavor is infused in the ghee. So just give it a really very good mix for a minute, and then what you can do is you can add in the soaked basmati rice. Here I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice. I've soaked it for 30 minutes, clean, washed, soaked it for 30 minutes. Give it a really very good mix so that the basmati rice gets fried really very well with the ghee, with the onions and the whole spices, so that the flavor get infused. And once you have mixed it really very well, I'm adding 2 cups of hot water here. Hot water will speeden up the cooking of the basmati rice, and now give a good mix, and then you can check for the salt as well at this stage. Just cover it with the lid. So I'm adding salt at this stage, and I forgot to tell you, once the salt is added, add in some coriander leaves and mint leaves, and again give it a good mix. And then at this stage check for the salt. If the salt is less, add it because the cooking process will begin. Now cover it with the lid. Wait till the rice is like 80 to 90% cooked. Take off the lid, and now at this stage add in the remaining fried onions, add in your cashews. If you're fried in raisins as well, add it at this stage, and the heart of the ingredient, which is our saffron milk, add it all over, like spread it all over, and then you can keep this rice for dum for around 10 minutes in a very very low medium heat. Keep it at a very low medium heat, and your flavorful Zafrani rice is ready to eat. You can serve it just like that with some salads or raita or any kind of chicken dish or veg kind of sides, anything. Trust me, this will taste better than your biryani. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description.